Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you something that has completely changed my working style, productivity, and organization. In addition to sharing the techniques that enabled me to increase my research output dramatically, I also present you with a helpful tool to help you achieve the same results. As professionals, students, and researchers, we know the ongoing pressure to deliver excellent work before the deadline. However, it might not be easier to remain focused and productive. Many of you can identify with me because I've had my share of late night struggles to achieve deadlines. Burnout can result from a vicious cycle of procrastination, guilt, and frustration. One of the biggest challenges we face is distractions. It's simple to become distracted from our work by social media, email updates, or our favorite TV show. Before we realize it, hours have passed, and we haven't done much or anything on our assignments. Time management is another significant challenge. It's simple to waste time on unnecessary activities when we don't have a clear plan, which leaves us feeling overburdened and anxious. Another significant barrier is a lack of motivation. Feeling disheartened and wanting to give up when things get complicated is normal, not to mention the pressure to consistently create unique and inventive work for your research. It is understandable why many of us find it challenging to sustain our productivity levels. Even with our best efforts, we often find ourselves in a rut and unsure how to get out of it. But despite these obstacles, I was committed to figuring out how to increase my study productivity. I knew the methods and resources to keep me motivated, focused, and on course. One of the strategies that worked for me was the Pomodoro technique. I could stay on track and avoid distractions by breaking my work into focused 25-minute increments and taking 5 minutes between each task to relax. Now, let me introduce you to a tool that has significantly increased my productivity, the Planner 2025-2026. This planner is helpful for anyone looking to be organized and make the most of their time. This planner isn't your typical organizer. It's packed with features like 96 pages of undated weekly planners, organized into half-hourly slots from 7 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., perfectly aligned with the Pomodoro technique. 24 undated monthly spreads designed to help you set priorities, track events, and take notes. Quarterly goal-setting pages for monitoring your progress and staying on track with your big picture objectives. 2 fully yearly calendar pages for 2025 and 2026, plus global time zones for seamless planning, whether you are traveling or collaborating internationally. This planner doesn't just help you track your tasks. It enables you to master your time, whether you are a researcher, a student, a teacher, or a professional. This planner is your handy tool for avoiding the above struggles and achieving your goals. What I love most about this planner is that I designed this planner book with the Pomodoro technique in mind. The half-hourly time slots allow you to break your day into manageable chunks. Whether working on research, preparing lectures, or studying, you can structure your day around focused work sessions and short breaks. It's a seamless way to stay productive. I also like using its features such as weekly goals, a to-do list, appointments, weekly priorities, and daily priorities notes sessions to prioritize tasks and set clear goals. We can also use productivity apps like Todoist and Trello, which helped me prioritize my tasks and stay organized. However, I prefer handwriting my plans or notes on physical planners, since it allows me to memorize better. Furthermore, using this planner book to set clear goals and deadlines was another game changer for me. By doing so, I stayed focused and motivated and avoided procrastination. But the most significant change I made wasn't just about tools. It was about creating a workspace tailored to my needs. This solution meant investing in a good pair of noise-canceling headphones, using a website broker to minimize online distractions, and setting up a comfortable, ergonomic workspace. The latter is significant for protecting your health and preventing future health conditions such as back pain, which can significantly reduce productivity. By controlling a workspace tailored to my specific needs, I could eliminate distractions and stay focused on work. This simple yet powerful insight had a profound impact on my productivity. I could complete tasks more efficiently and felt energized and motivated throughout the day. By creating an environment that supported my work, I could tap into my potential and work more efficiently. In conclusion, finding effective strategies to improve research productivity is crucial for academic success. By acknowledging the challenges we face, exploring new techniques and tools, and creating a conducive work environment, we can overcome the obstacles that stand in our way. If you are ready to transform your productivity, I have something special for you. Subscribe to my newsletter and get a free PDF copy of the Planner 2025-2026. Plus, if you want a physical copy, you can grab it on Amazon KDP or get it on my website at a discounted price, just for my subscribers. I'll give links in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your time and achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching. If you have any tips or strategies for boosting research productivity, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about improving your productivity, check out my future videos on time management for researchers. Remember to check the link in the description below, like this video, share it with your friends, and let me know how you plan to boost your productivity this year. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tools to supercharge your productivity. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.